My name's Chad Swaim. I'm the IT director for the Wheatland School District. We're kind of a small district, but we've grown exponentially. There is 5 techs for our team. We manage about 1,500 devices, all Windows 10 devices. We needed to find a way to be able to update these and patch them. And we were messing with WSUS. We were trying to do GPOs, trying to control them. Things didn't work right a lot of the time, and it create frustration. And, so my techs would be tied up trying to figure out how they're going to update, how they're going to image, how they're going to do all these things. So therefore, Faronics came around, and my motto's always been work smarter, not harder. Faronics definitely fits that motto, because now my techs don't have to spend so much time updating machines, trying to figure out how they're going to image them, sit there with them, and now they can spend more time in the classrooms.
The app was created, I pushed it out, 5 minutes later, every student computer, 1,400 of them had it on them, so it's just amazing. The imaging piece has been huge for us. I capture the image, put the image on the server, and then they pixie boot right into that image, and every computer is ready to go. They hand it to the student, and all they do is log in, and it's ready to go. I mean, the time saving there is incredible, and the simplicity of it. I have site techs out there that have 1 to 2 years experience in the field, and they're able to use this software.
With Faronics now, it allows those techs to be able to kind of meet the needs of the teachers and see what really they need now, instead of having to worry about just day-to-day maintenance, day-to-day updates and imaging on computers and that such. So, the amount of hours that have saved from our techs, it would probably be pretty astronomical. If I sat here and wrote it on paper, it could have saved months of time and months of dollars.
COVID hits, and we had no way to get into student computers when they were at home. And so with Faronics, we were 100% able to use Ultra BNC to remote into an already in-session student computer, or use RDP to log them off and log us in as an administrator if we needed to do some task, fix something on their computer, etc. But it was very helpful to be able to see what they were doing also, and where they were going wrong. My favorite thing about Faronics really is the visibility that I have into my network. I have never had that type of visibility, and it's a very powerful thing to be able to see the status of all the computers, where they're at with their Windows updates, and just where the problems are, what type of models that we have are having issues. So it saves me a lot of time, and I've been out, repairing cameras and doing all kinds of other things that need to get done as well. So it's saving us a tremendous amount of time.
And that's the other thing with Faronics too, is they keep adding new things that have benefited us moving forward in a lot of aspects of what we do day to day.